of attending the conference today. Here I am having the PhD research topic is Random Linear Network Coding in the Cognitive Radio Networks, presented by myself, that is Prachya Salvi, and my guide is Dr. Vaibhav Dikshit, who is from Pune. I am from Maharashtra, Pune. The contents of my presentation is first of all problem statement, then static approach, cognitive radio. In cognitive radio, I am going to present what is meant by cognitive radio, the definition of cognitive radio, CRM classification, capabilities, CR block diagram, methodology, open BTS architecture, topology, layers used for my own project, multi-hop CRM, challenges in multi-hop CRM. Flooding is one of the algorithm which is compared with RLNC implementation. Transmission of two packets, mixed packet transmission, and finally conclusion. The references slide will be there along with these all contents. My problem statement here, my problem statement goes that is to study the high mobility, multi-hop and heterogeneous nature of CR nodes, communicating with each other and to locate the optimal route to share the information among these highly mobile nodes. Actually, my PhD topic is based on DCR, that is cognitive radio. Basically, radio is nothing but, you can say, the medium of communication. So whenever I am transmitting and receiving the signal at the same time between both the ends, otherwise all the multi-hops or all the nodes among the network, that is my ad hoc network which is formed for the communication. The real-time application of my own project is nothing but, I will have it in the areas, whichever are the areas having the flooding type of thing, okay, that is whichever are having the disasters. So under the disaster management scheme, I can use my own network, which is the ad hoc network, and which is based on the CR technology or cognitive radio technology. Cognition means whichever having the knowledge of all the areas around, of all the atmosphere around. Okay, we do have the static approach which is used to manage the spectrum. We all know that is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz frequency spectrums are those frequency spectrum whichever are the licensed one. Okay, licensed frequency, that means the frequency which is given by some of the institutions or the American institutions or FCC has assigned these frequency bands for a particular use. 2.4 gigahertz which are used in the safe home security systems, you can say, or the garage opening, or you can say anything just like your oven. In that also we can use this frequency band as 2.4 gigahertz, and the next frequency band is for the voice recognition system, as well as we are using this 5 gigahertz of frequency in gaming type of purpose by various wireless devices. On the other hand, the significant amount of the spectrum remains underutilized or not even utilized from the environment. It is shown in this diagram. That is, whenever the information is about the environment, then the measurement is in terms of the temperature, light, the spectrum, that is the communication opportunity.